Hey, Emma. Good morning. How are you today?
Hey, Alex. Good morning. I'm good. A little sleepy, to be honest. How about you?
Yeah, same here. I had coffee, but I still feel tired. Maybe I need one more cup.
Oh, yeah, coffee helps, but only a little. So, what are we talking about today?
Today, we're talking about something very important, something everyone needs, essential English phrases for daily conversations.
Oh, I love this topic. These are the phrases people really use every day.
Exactly. Not book English, real life English.
Right, the kind of English you hear at home, at work, or with friends.
Oh, wait. Let's introduce ourselves first.
Oh, yes, good idea.
Hi, everyone. My name is Alex. I'm from the United States, and I love teaching English in a simple, friendly way.
And I'm Emma. I'm also from the USA. I enjoy helping people feel comfortable speaking English.
We're just two friends chatting.
Yes, talking slowly, clearly, and naturally.
Okay, Emma, let's start with greetings. The first thing people say.
Yes, so important.
The most common phrase is, "How are you?"
Everyone says that all the time.
But here's the funny thing. People don't always want a long answer.
That's true. Usually a short answer is perfect.
Like, "I'm good. I'm fine. I'm doing well."
Or very casual ones like, I'm okay, not bad.
Sometimes people say, "I'm hanging in there."
Yes, that means life is a little hard, but you're okay.
Emma, what do you usually say?
Honestly, I usually say, I'm good, thanks. How about you?
Same here. Simple and friendly.
Now let's talk about small talk.
Ah, yes. Small talk is very important in American culture.
Yes, we talk about small things before big things.
Like the weather.
Always the weather.
For example, nice weather today, right?
Or, it's really hot today.
Or when it's cold, wow, it's freezing.
Even if everyone already knows.
It's just a way to connect.
Another common small talk question is, how was your day?
Yes, such a good phrase.
You can answer simply, it was good. It was busy. It was long.
Sometimes I say, it was okay, kind of stressful.
That's very natural.
Now, let's talk about polite phrases. Very important.
Yes, these make you sound kind and respectful.
The first one is, please.
Always say please.
Like, can you help me, please?
Or, can I have some water, please?
And of course, thank you.
Yes, we say thank you a lot in English.
Sometimes we even say, thank you so much.
Or, thanks a lot.
Emma, what do you usually say when someone thanks you?
I usually say, you're welcome.
Or, no problem.
Or, anytime.
All very natural.
Okay, let's talk about asking for help.
Yes, this is very useful.
A simple phrase is, can you help me?
Or, more polite, could you help me, please?
At a store, you can say, excuse me, can you help me?
Excuse me is very important.
Yes, we use it to be polite.
Also, to get someone's attention.
Like, excuse me, where's the restroom?
That's a very common one.
Now let's talk about daily life phrases.
Things you say at home or with friends.
For example, I'm hungry.
Very important phrase.
Or I'm tired.
Or, I need a break.
I say that one a lot.
Me too, especially after work.
Another common one is, what are you doing?
Yes, very simple.
You can answer, nothing much, just relaxing, just working.
Nothing much is very common. Let's talk about feelings.
Yes, this helps people understand you.
You can say, I'm happy. I'm excited.
Or, I'm nervous.
Or, I'm worried.
When I'm stressed, I say, I feel overwhelmed.
That's a great phrase.
And when things are good, I feel relaxed.
Nice.
Okay, let's talk about making plans.
Very useful.
You can say, do you want to hang out?
Or, are you free today?
Or, let's meet tomorrow.
If you're busy, you can say, sorry, I'm busy.
Or, maybe another time.
That's polite.
Now, how do we end conversations?
Good question.
A simple one is, it was nice talking to you.
Yes, very friendly.
Or, I have to go now.
Or, Talk to you later.
I say that a lot.
Personal reflection. Emma, do you remember when you were learning another language?
Oh, yes. I felt shy all the time.
Same. Speaking is scary.
But simple phrases helped me a lot.
Yes, you don't need perfect English.
You just need useful English.
And confidence.
And practice.
So today, we talked about essential English phrases.
For greetings.
For small talk.
For daily life.
For feelings and plans.
If you learn these phrases,
You can talk to people.
make friends.
And feel more confident.
Don't be afraid of mistakes.
Mistakes are okay.
They help you learn.
Thanks for listening, everyone.
We're happy you're here.
Keep practicing.
And we'll see you next time.
Bye.